day 14 of learning React Native. Yesterday, on day 13, we added bottom tab navigation. Today, we are going to take the project to the next level and make the tab bar look like real production app using icons and colors. And we are also going to cover a real world case that many developers face, converting an Expo project into a bare React Native project using Expo rebuild, pre-build. Sorry. So uh, this is important kind of, because in beginning Expo is very easy to work with, but when projects start growing and we need deeper native capabilities, we run npx expo prebuild. This command generates the iOS and Android native folders, and from that moment, icons, fonts, and native models require manual configuration, just like a pure React Native app. So let's follow the exact process. First, we will we will install vector icons inside the. We'll do it inside the terminal. We'll run npm install react native hyphen vector hyphen icons. Okay. Okay, I have already installed this, but for your explanation I am running this. If we were still using Expo managed workflow, accounts would work instantly. But because we are converting to Bear, we now need native linking. So the next step is running npx expo pre-build. Okay, this process will take a lot longer. The pre-build command generates iOS and Android folders and transform our Expo project into bare native project. As you can see, Android and iOS here. After this, the app must be rebuilt using React Native CLI, not Expo runtime. Now that we are in bare workflow, we need to link icons for like icon fonts manually, like I have done here. So we need to open iOS. First we need to open our node modules, find out react react native vectors. Inside this we need to find fonts. Well, here we need to just copy it and create open our iOS project. Okay, iOS folder. Inside that we need to find our project name. Then I have created a folder called resource. Inside that I have just pasted my all the ttf files, okay, which I have copied from node modules. So that way I'll be doing it manually. Then we need to go inside info.plist. This would be present in the project itself, or inside iOS app name, so it would be there here itself. So I have pasted it, UI app fonts here. So as you can see, paste it. We can just pause here and paste it. Okay, after this we need to open cd in terminal cd.ios and write pod install. This as well I have done previously, then that's why it would be much faster on my system than building it from scratch. Next, we need to run our iOS npm run iOS. So after this rebuild, the we can see our app will come into life. Until then, we'll do today's changes, that is changing fonts and colors of the tab bar. So we'll import ion icons from React hyphen native hyphen. Okay, this is working fine now. So now what I'll do is React Native vector icons. I'll add. Okay. After this, to use our React vector icons, we need this. That's why I'm going with screen options is equal to, okay, route. This is a function which will be there. Inside this, I'll be creating header shown. So this is kind of like telling what the tab bar will do, or the whole tab will do, or we'll give tab bar active tint color. Okay. I'll give it as #007 AFF. Okay. I'll copy this and #8. Now I'll add tab bar style as well. For in tab bar style, I'll add background color. I'll give it as #FFF. That would be black, and border, sorry, that would be white. FFF would be white. Border top width would be 1, comma, would be 1, comma, border top color would be somewhere near white. Okay. And height somewhere near black. Sorry for the inconvenience as well. 60 Now let's add the label style as well. Until now we have added the tab bar style as well as style label style as well for the tab bar. Font size, as you can see, it would change font size and icon size style as well. Font size 12 comma margin bottom 4. Okay, let's add another thing. Now we'll add the icons tab bar icon itself, which we need. Let's this would be the variables I require inside the tab bar icon itself is equal to. Now let's create a variable called icon. It will be set to home outline. Okay, I'll add conditions here. Route dot name is equal to home. I have created 4 of them. Okay, that would get you icon is equal to focused. If it is focused, then my icon would be home. Otherwise it would be same to home dot outline. So I'll copy this. It would be the same for other tabs as well. So I have 4, that's why I'm using 4. I'll change this to posts. This would be list. The same thing will go here, list. I'll change this as well to profile. This would be person. This would be same person outline and form. As this would be create. I would use the icon. You can change it if you want. You can go and look up at in the .tiff folders. There you will be able to see ion icons name is equal to icon size is equal to size. Okay, I'd close this here, icons. Okay, then color would be color. Okay, slash. As you can see, we are getting an error. So here I missed to add iron icons. So this error will go. Now let's see our app. So as you can see, all the icons, the tabs are pretty much good. So the tab bar now has professionally styled icons. As you can see here, highlighted colors for active and inactive tabs and a polished, you can see, bottom bar appearance. Now finally we need to fix our header overlapping the notch. That happened because our custom header is not respecting the safe area, which is below this. Okay, so to fix it we need to update or make some changes in our header. Here we'll be importing another UI from, that is called safe view, from React Native safe area context. Okay, we'll be keeping that safe area view style with style. Okay, keeping it as background here as well. Background would be white, and inside that we will be keeping, okay, our view. Okay, that is it. Now I'll, okay, now it will be running properly. As you can see, it's running fine. Okay, it's respecting our safe area. Okay, now the header automatically drops down below the notch on iPhones and below the status bar on Android as well if you want to run. So today was a big and realistic day. We installed icons, added native font linking, which we did here, and handled the Expo to where conversion as well using npx Expo pre-build, restyled the tab bar, and fixed the safe area UI on the header. All of these things what make an app go from working to feeling production ready. Okay. In day 15, we'll go inside each screen and add empty states, better loading visuals, and user friendly errors so the app feels smooth even when connectivity is slow or the server fails. See you tomorrow. Thank you.